Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to add Patreon link to YouTube. I'll be showing this step by step. To begin, open any browser you want. Then after that, go to your YouTube channel or YouTube account. After you do that, click on the top right corner of your icon. Then go on to YouTube Studio. Open this. After you open this, you need to go to your left and then scroll down. Then go to Customization. After you open Customization, I want you to scroll down. Then here, you see where it said Add Link. This is where you have to add your Patreon link. So just click on Add Link. Then yeah, that's where you type any title. So it cannot be only Patreon. It can be any other link you want to add. So this is where you add your name. So I'm going to add Patreon. Here is where you paste your Patreon URL link. That links to your Patreon page or account. When you paste this, then you go to Publish, and then you're done. On your home screen, that's where it shows your Patreon link on your YouTube account.